Have you noticed that some days the market feels clean and easy to trade, while on other days nothing seems to work? Many traders think it's just bad luck, but in reality, it's had a lot to do with market time. So today I'm going to explain it at the time-based strategy, which means understand why there are specific hours when the market pays more, and how I can use the concept in buy options trading. Alright, the time-based strategy is based on a simple truth. The market does not behave the same way all day long. You know that. I just said that in the live sessions. There are moments when volume increases, institutional money enters the markets, and the price movement becomes clearer and more structured. And there are other moments when volume drops, manipulation, all right, increases, and false signals become much more common. Okay, the markets only pays where there's a liquid and reorientation behind the movements. This happens because of the opening of the major global transactions. When London or New York's open, banks, funds, and large institutional players starts operation. And wherever big money enters, we see more volume. You see the candles just increases very slow or very fast. Clear direction and more predictable price behavior. One of the most constant one of the day, it's London session open, the first hours, guys. At this time, volumes start to rise. Real breakouts are more likely to happen, and pullbacks tend to respect current levels.
Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Alright. This is an excellent period for trading and continuation setups. Alright, you can use that. So the best moment of the day, without doubt, it's overlap between the London and New York centers. Okay, this session between that, this is when the market rates its highest liquidity. Price movement become clearing, ranges break more easily, and the market spend last time movement sideways. This is the ideal window for clear reversals, volume climax, and high quality confirmation. When I just said about clear reversals, volume climaxes, I'm talking about the VSA, right? The New York session open is always a good trend period, especially when continuing reaction to London has already established. Just important as you know when to trade is knowing the not to trade, guys. Low volume periods like Asian stations, alright. Trend produces low and deceptive price action. The final hours of the New York is not good, alright. And trade to close majors new events. One more important thing needs to be said: time alone is not a strategy. Trade the right hours do not guarantee entries and the market reading, guys. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
The market does not pay because there's a magic hour. It's pay because this is when institutional money is active. When you align the right time with the right market context, you stop guessing and start trading with intention. Okay, if this content helped you guys, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want a practical video showing the strategy direct on the charts. Good trades, and I see you in the next video, guys. Have a good one, and see you. Bye bye.